For the definition part now, for the conics, curves that are created by the intersection of a plane and a right circular cone. What I told you, intersection of a plane with a double napped right circular cone. That was the correct definition, accurate definition. Okay, this is also okay, perfect. Now, by the intersection, how we are generating the different figures, let me show you that. Now, just go through this example or this figure. What we are having, a cone, we can say that this is a right circular cone and a plane. It is written intersection of a plane. When a plane is intersected on this cone, then different figure arises. Now, you will say how it is figure. For example, now you are having this, suppose this is a plane, okay, this is a plane. Now, the plane, angle of a plane becomes like this thing. Now, it goes for like this thing, and then from here it goes like this thing, and then it like this thing. So, intersection of a plane with a double napped right circular cone generates different figures, and these figures are circle, ellipse, hyperbola, parabolas, all these things. And after this one, just look towards this figure, more interesting figure. Now, it is a double napped. Now, you just say this is one plane, it generates a circle. Second, little bit tilting, okay, ellipse. Then just like this, okay, exactly like this one. This generates a parabola, and then vertically, okay. So, it becomes hyperbola. So, these are the generations, and now I am going to show you a figure where you will love to look the different figures, how these are made it, okay. Just look here. Now, here a ball is placed on a floor, and these are the two sources of light, one with orange and one with blue. When orange light is thrown on the ball, what type of figure is generated? We are generating an ellipse. Just look here, an ellipse has been generated, okay. One from here, when we are throwing a light source from here, we are getting a big parabolic figure like this, big parabolic figure. Then you can just look a circle here, okay. You can just look at one figure is looking like this one, it like the hyperbola like this one is like here. So, different figures are arised on a single floor when a ball is placed, and we are just throwing some lights from a different sources, okay. So, one single ball makes different figures. These are the conics, these generated are the conics.